Welcome to another video in our XXOTO software tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the bottom function, which helps align selected shapes to the bottom left of the canvas. This feature is particularly useful when cutting small materials like door handles or individual car doors, as it minimizes waste by organizing scattered shapes. Here's how to use the bottom function. 1. Select the materials you want to cut, such as smaller items like a car door handle or door panel. Second, place them anywhere on the canvas. 3. Click the bottom function, and you'll see that the selected shapes are now aligned to the bottom left corner of the canvas, ready for cutting. This feature works for both individual pieces and multiple sets of materials. Just remember, if you're working with multiple sets, it's a good idea to use super nesting after aligning to further optimize the layout and minimize material waste. Congratulations, you've now learned how to use the bottom function. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and advanced techniques with XXOTO software.